Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Examiners of Seminar Proposal, Bapak DRS Saharudin MED, MEPP SC PhD, and Ibu DR Nyimas Triana Safitri, SPD MED ST. The Honorable My Supervisors, Ibu DR Sri Wahyuni SSM Hum MA, and Ibu DRA Radiatan Mardiah M. Hum. On these occasions, I would like to present my thesis proposal with the title EFL Students' Difficulties in Comprehending English Reading Text During the Online Learning in the COVID-19 Pandemic. But before, let me introduce myself. My name is Rini Sapitri. My student number A1B217037. Let me start it. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background of the research. In this background, there are COVID-19 pandemic and reading comprehension. The emergence of the COVID-19 pandemic brought several changes and policies in the world of education. According to LATIP 2020, one of the changes and policies is regarding the implementations of online learning in schools. Online learning method is considered the most suitable method to be implemented during an emergent COVID-19 pandemic. Because online learning is a learning method that can be carried out anywhere and anytime. The implementations of online learning does not run smoothly. It also has obstacles during the implementation. Online learning resulted in challenges for students, especially in terms of limitations in learning space and facilities. Limitations of learning experience that cause students stress and anxiety. Then, during online learning, there are some difficulties felt by students during learning reading, especially in understanding the material and the reading text. According to Putri et al. 2021, the difficulties consist of the difficulty in understanding the subject matter due to limited interactions and communications between the teacher and the students, and then difficulty in concentrating because the teaching material provided is monotonous and the learning method strategies provided are less attractive. And also, reading comprehension is still become a topic that much discussed by previous researchers. There are various problems in teaching reading comprehensions in some EFL classroom. According to NAPSIA 2019, the problems in learning reading comprehension are that students did not understand toward the question asked, got difficulties in understanding the vocabulary, difficulties in identifying reference and making inference, and also difficulties determining the main idea of the reading text. The findings of the research conducted by Hidayati 2018 that almost all students experience fail in reading comprehensions due to several factors, including poor vocabulary, difficult to understand long sentence and text, poor mastery of grammar, poor of learning media, and lack of knowledge about strategies in reading comprehensions. So, in response to the problems, the researcher thinks that knowing the students' difficulties in reading comprehension is necessary because the problem faced by the students is probably different from one school to another school, especially in the online learning. It emphasizes an independent learning systems during the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Due to these situations, the researcher interested to analyze the student difficulties in reading comprehensions and want to find out kind of factors that influence the difficulties in reading comprehensions faced by the senior high school during the online learning Islamic Senior High School in Batanghari Regency. And the next, about research questions. Based on the background above, the researcher decided the research questions of the problem to research questions. The first, what are the difficulties in comprehending English reading text during COVID-19 pandemic in one of Islamic Senior High School in Batanghari Regency? And second, what are the factors that cause students difficulties in comprehending English reading text during COVID-19 pandemic in one of Islamic Senior High School in Batanghari Regency? And the next, research objectives. Based on problem above, the research objectives are: first, to describe the difficulties in comprehending English reading text during COVID-19 pandemic in one of Islamic Senior High School in Batanghari Regency. And second, to describe the factors that cause students difficulties in comprehending English reading text during COVID-19 pandemic in one of Islamic Senior High School in Batanghari Regency. And then, limitation of the research. There are several limitations. First, this research only focused on the students' difficulties in learning reading comprehensions during online learning in the COVID-19 pandemic. And second, the study will investigate the factors that cause students difficulties in comprehending English reading text during the COVID-19 pandemic. And then, significance of the research. The researcher expects that the study will be beneficial for the lecturer or teachers, for the students, and then for the researcher. The researcher hopes the study will be beneficial for the lecturer or the teacher. They can find a better teaching methodology or strategies in teaching the reading comprehension course. And then for the students, the researcher hopes they knowing more and identify their difficulties in learning reading comprehensions and knowing the factors that will cause their difficulty in comprehending English reading text. And then for researcher, the researcher hopes the study also can be used as the reference or source of information for those who are interested in the same areas of learning fields. And the next, about literature review. In this chapter, the researcher explained about concept of reading comprehension aspects, the factors of difficulties in learning reading comprehensions, online learning, and then review studies. In these preview studies, the researcher has reviewed several studies about reading comprehensions. Then, all of them give more focus on investigating the difficulties reading comprehension in conventional class. Meanwhile, the learning situations of this research focus in online learning during COVID-19 pandemic. The differences between previous research to this research lies on teaching location, that is online learning. Although there are similar studies related to reading comprehension in online learning. And then what distinguishes it from previous research is that the data collection techniques and methods are different. And also, this research will use a qualitative descriptive approach, and the instrument used are test and interview. And then, Chapter 3, Research Method. Next, research design. In this research, the researcher will use descriptive design with qualitative method. For the research site and access, this research will conduct this research at Islamic Senior High School State in Batanghari Regency. The reason why the researcher conducts this study in this school because the school is an Islamic religion-based school that has good teaching quality and has the most interest in the Batanghari area. And for the participants, the students in 11 grades who are studying at Islamic Center High School State in Batanghari Regency. And for the participant selection technique, the researcher determines certain characteristics and criteria of participant as follows. First, the students who are studying in 11 grades. Second, the students who are studying at Islamic Center High School State in Batanghari Regency. And the last, the students who have difficulty understanding of reading comprehension text in English class during COVID-19 pandemic, as evidenced by test scores schools KKM that below 65. And the next, reading test as a method to find sample. In order to get participants who meet the criteria of participant selection technique, there are first, the researcher will give a reading test to 30 11th grade students, and then from 30 participants who took the test, five students who have difficulties will be selected. And then the test consists of 20 multiple choice questions and will use 5 aspects of reading comprehension stated by Nuttall. The 5 aspects of reading comprehension are include determining main idea, understanding vocabulary, making inference, detailed information, and then locating reference. And then data collection technique. The researcher will use interview as a research instrument. Before conducting interviews, the researcher will discuss with the participants about their willingness to be interviewed. The researcher will offer 2 interview methods, through online, which is done via WhatsApp call or telephone call, and offline, which is done face-to-face. The research interviewed the participants one by one on different days and situations. And the next about instrument of data collections. The instruments that used by the researcher in this research, there are reading tests and interview. And for the reading test, after distributing and knowing the test results, the researcher will group the students who have the standard score below 65, and then later the students who have been grouped will be interviewed to find out what difficulties they feel while working on the reading comprehension questions. And then interview guideline. The researcher will use the interview guideline as a guide for interviewing the 11th grade students at the school. The researcher used other tools such as tape recorder from smartphone, which aim to record all conversation between the interviewer and the interviewee. And the use of interview instruments and topic recorders help the researchers to collect the data and memorize the answer will give by the students. For the interview guideline, there are 15 questions that will answer by the students. The 15 questions were developed based on theory proposed by Nuttall. And then, data analysis technique. The next step that the researcher will do is analyze the data. According to Creswell, 2009, there are 6 stages of data processing in qualitative research. First, raw data. In raw data, the researcher will take to transcribe the entire interview recording and then organize and preparing data. In this stage, the researcher will check the results of the transcript that has been made. And then, reading through all the data in this stage, the researcher will read the entire data and validate the data through member checking. And the next, coding the data. In this stage, the researcher will code the data that will be studied to answer the research question as manually. The next, interrelating the themes into descriptions. The researcher will interpret the themes in the study and provide descriptions related to the theme. And the last, interpretations, the meaning of themes. The researcher will make a Conclusion descriptively are made description and conclusion toward the finding of the data. Alright, that's all my presentations of my thesis proposal. Thank you for the nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.